How to delete your Airbnb account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Airbnb account. Now the process is a bit tricky, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Airbnb app, and there you want to make sure that you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Now here, once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this. Simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below here, and you can see personal information, login and security, payments and payouts, accessibility, taxes, translation, notification, privacy, sharing, and travel for work. Now in order to delete your account, all you have to do is you'll have to tap on the privacy and sharing option. Once you do so, here you can see request your personal data, delete your account, sharing and services. Simply tap on delete your account option, and here you want to select where do you reside. You can select your country and then reason that you are deleting your account, and then simply tap on delete account option at the bottom of your screen, and you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete account in Airbnb, or you can delete your Airbnb account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.